What's going on? This is Wild Style getting ready to pack for the Survivor Man adventure. You can see I got a few items. This is just about all I take. Got a box cutter, multi-purpose, cut food, small limbs is about it. Most important, always have a backup, whatever you're gonna do. That's my newest and only piece of protection when you're in the woods is a machete. I'm basically a conservationist, so I really don't hunt with guns. I don't track animals with guns. Machetes pretty much just used for clearing small limbs and brush when I make the traps. So make a real good cool note of that conservationist. I got a multicolored light. Red is real cool walking around at night. You don't want to scare too much stuff. Got another green lens, multi-purpose. And then one I very seldom use is the actual flashlight. So that's good to go. This time of year in the Gulf Coast states, always have your hunter orange. You never can tell. I got my hat. That's one I prefer. Me, Bob Marley, Peter Tosh. Alright, for the 2 day adventure, only thing we're really gonna take into the woods, we got a small bag of rice, can of Spam, 2 cans of tuna fish. Once we get on site, we'll track down the water supply, purify it, and pretty much go from there. Work gloves, never can tell. So that's about it. At night or after dark, I use my laptop to get caught up on the day or to make contact in case of emergencies. So that's pretty much it. Always remember when you're out in the woods or in the wilderness, you want to keep everything wrapped up. Nice plastic bag or trash bag. Thick black trash bags are best. And inside the tent, we do have one Iraqi ready army grade poncho, but it's warm enough and multifunctional enough that you can use it for pretty much anything. So this is Wild Styles giving you your first video uplink, and I'll see you back doing camo time. Thanks a lot. What's going on, tag team? This is Wild Style, the country boy. Just got a real good call, man. We're going on an adventure a little bit further south, so y'all sit tight. We'll hit you back tonight, live from the tent. Wild Style, the country boy.
What's up? It's Wild Styles coming in from the tent. Been a decent day. Zip line almost ready. Little can of Spam. So once again we're warm and dry. See you at the crack of dawn.